I swear they were not. We did not get that view when they did the letters before. Also, shout out random dudes in scooters in the back. Just doing spins. It is with respect that I rewind. No, I don't have an eye tracker.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정, 삐롱삐롱.
Orchids. My name's the Newbie Warrior. We were just on stream. I was reacting to a bunch of K-pop albums, and then I saw this notification pop up on my YouTube. This is the plus 62 dance performance type video for Honk. Obviously, I already reacted to the MV and then the, like, in front of the bus MV performance. Yes, this is the last song of the stream. You are, in fact, late. I'm really excited about this, though. You guys have been absolutely destroying the metrics on these Nona videos. And this song is really fun, and it's one of the most unique choreos I've seen in a very long time. They actually made steering a bus into a really fun girl group choreo, which is like, how? If you enjoyed this video, click like, consider subscribing. I almost feel bad asking that from you guys at this point, but keep doing what you're doing, it's working. The Honk bus. This is actually like such an insanely fun choreo. Back.
Look at me, look at her. In the rearview mirror, put him up, toaster, buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi.
Tongues out for no reason, for absolutely no reason, by the way. Baila do be biting her finger. The fact that they made the entire choreo about the bus, though, is so crazy. Like, what if we hailed public transport but made it hot? And then steered the public transport and made that hot. It's insane. Get on the alpha! Christy, this is ridiculous. Comedically attractive. Stupidly attractive. We love the heel boots, by the way. The heel boots except Shaz. Which is very funny. That slide move she does is insane. God. Oh my god. Christy, dude. Oh my. I'm powerless. I'm powerless, hopeless, probably several other diminutive-less words. Brainless, thoughtless. Wow. Wow. Oh, I'm pumped for the album, yeah. Extension of Rollerblade. Oh, my license plate kills me every time. Butt slap a license plate. They are the bus, like. Also, they didn't turn around and do the pose before, right? Wait a minute. I swear. Wait. This is the end. No, they were facing the other way for that, for sure. Oh, I love it. I love the hard commit to the concept. Cause it's like, okay, we could do like a bus, you know, maybe they just do the steer part. Like you see that in choreos and it's like, oh, that's fun. This is like, we're hailing the public transport. Public transport comes. We get up on the public transport. We go through steering. We pat our butt for the license plate. It's like, what? It's the whole choreo. I swear they were not. We did not get that view when they did the letters before. Also, shout out random dudes in scooters in the back. Just doing spins. It is with respect that I rewind. No, I don't have an eye tracker. Even the quick steering there, the longer steering to transition, it's so cool. It's so cool. Like the group formation too, it's so... Why are you? just Christy, bro. I am just... Oh, Christy. Out of words. I'm just out of words. Shout out the dude in the... Yeah, Christy is just... She's everybody's problem. I mean, mostly my problem, but everybody's problem. Shout out the dudes with the bright magenta and purple... freaking hats. Like, rocking out on air guitar. May or may not have just noticed they were there. I don't know if they were there the whole time. But... There's proof. There's proof my eyes left Christy for 1 second, chat. I noticed the hat, guys. It only took 2 minutes. Dude, I just can't believe that they did the whole choreo as a bus thing. It's actually so crazy to me. No, stop. I already... Stop it. I don't even know why this is in queue. I accidentally clicked on that. It's so crazy to me. Like, this entire concept, building the entire song around the, like, modified public transport horn sound, which people told me is, like, became, like, a thing to try and, like, you know, get people to ride your bus. Drivers would modify their horns. And that's where that little song comes from. So they built an entire song around that. And then they built an entire choreo around a bus. Interesting. Baila is ripped, by the way. The definition on her back is crazy. She's actually ripped. Esther just full belt buckle gripping, by the way. I don't know what that's about. The kick transition? I mean, you did come in 5 hours into a stream with them, to be fair. Full tongue out, like Shaz, please. Round and round. You certainly do. Yeah, I swear we were looking from the front before on this letter part. Why have they evolved this choreo to be more dangerous? That's wild. That's wild. I guess it is kind of similar to a British police siren too, but it's in this case it's the Indonesian bus sound. But I could see that. Good lord. She's just. Oh wow. Insane. Insane gymnast doing insane gymnast things. Yeah, this is fun. Like I said, of their like more dance performance focused songs, this one stands out to me as like the most fun. It's so good. The full commit to the bus thing is so good, man. Also, Christy is, I have no words. Yeah, banger. Fun. Absolutely love that. So, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you enjoyed, click like, consider subscribing. Almost feel bad saying that. Thank you for all of the love on the Nona videos, everybody. Can't wait for the album. I'm pumped for the album, so we'll obviously be reacting to the album. Please remember to stay near me.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정, 삐롱삐롱.
Thank you so much to everyone who's chosen to support me on Patreon, with special appreciation going to Lucky7 Jen, Daniel Rains, Muse Ribbons, Atsuchi Ray H, Bob, and Mocking JN7.